Welcome back. So in this video I am going to unbox the recommended accessories for the BrewTools all-in-one system. I think it's the same pack regardless of whether you get the B40, 80 or the upcoming 150 Pro. So yeah, let's just get on with it. Who knew that unboxing these things in such inappropriately small and cluttered places would be thirsty work, but it is. But let's do this. I'm going to bring this over there. Let's see. I'll try not to knock my beer off. Oh, hey. Alright, so what have we got? Oh, again, that is such a solid thick piece of silicone. I think it's 19mm. Not sure if that's the inner diameter or not, I can't remember. But I believe you get 3 meters of it, so that's nice. Probably still need some more, to be honest. But it's falling on the floor. But I need to have a play with it. I need to get it all set up and see what I'm up to. Even with the recommended accessory pack, plus some additional accessories that I ordered from the malt miller, I think I'm still probably a few bits and pieces short. I think I need a couple more 19mm hose fittings and probably a few more triclamps, probably some more tubing as well, but we'll see how we get on. Okay, so again, not to be underestimated, the weight of these things here are really sturdy. There's some serious weight in there. So there we go, the real meat in the sandwich, the Counterflow cooler. Feet on the bottom so you can lie it down, and a cross piece as well so you can hang it up. So nice, very nice, really weighty, very nice. Okay, so what else comes with it? Another 3-way hose. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triclamps, is that right? It does have a list on the box of what you get. Yeah, 6 triclamps, 34mm triclamps, 19mm barb, another 19mm barb, ooh, 12mm barb, 12mm barb, 10 gaskets, 19mm barb, another 12, some more rings, and a 19mm barb. Okay, so that's the second dip tube that I mentioned in one of my previous videos. So that's for your whirlpool. I guess it's optional, but yeah, it comes with this pack so you can whirlpool away. And this is a unit together. So you've got a 19mm barb plus, you can see that it's got the hole as well, and that's where you can put this temperature sensor. You see it there. So the idea behind that is that you're measuring the temperature of the water when it's coming out of the Counterflow cooler. So you know exactly when you can stop recirculating and basically put it into the fermentation vessel. So nice bit of kit and some trisodium phosphate for cleaning all the shitty oils and residue away. So there you go. Nice. So that is it. So what I'm going to do as well, have a quick look at the other bits and pieces that I picked up from the malt miller. So unfortunately it doesn't look like I've actually got my 4-inch steam hat flange. I do need to double check to make sure it's not their fault, or double check to make sure it's not my fault rather. Because I was spending so much money, I had a couple of drinks when I ordered it. So it might be my fault because I already ordered two 2-litre Chemsan, so the Starsan kind of equivalent. And considering I've been using a 250ml bottle for the last 6 months and used, what, a third of it, I don't need 4 litres. It's going to last me till I'm like 70 or something. So I will definitely double check that it wasn't my fault, and if it happens to be the malt miller's fault, then I'll get in touch with them. I only ever hear good things about them. This is the first time I've used them, so if it is their fault, I'm sure they'll set me right. But they did send the rest of the things. That is the 4-inch tri-clamp to attach the flange onto the top of the steam hat. And that is the accompanying gasket. That is the third 3-way valve. So using the third, and you can use it, the B80Pro, as far as I can understand it, straight out of the box. You don't need all of this extra stuff. Obviously cooling your water would be nigh on impossible without the Counterflow chiller. But all of these additional valves and things, you don't necessarily need them. You can get away with not doing it. It's just that the more that you kind of spend, I think you're basically paying for the convenience. Is kind of how I see it, which is not necessarily a bad thing. So that's the third. That's the third 3-way valve. So you've got a full kind of clean in place solution once you've kind of setting it up like that. So 3 ways to kind of set it up as far as I get, and maybe we'll come to that in a future video once I've had a play with it. Some more gaskets, the triclamps, and more triclamps. So I think I ordered 3 more. I couldn't be bothered calculating exactly how many I needed. I was just being a bit lazy, to be honest. So I'm going to set it up, have a play with it. Hopefully when the wife and the kids are out and I've actually got a bit of breathing space, and just really get stuck in and figure out how to use it, because I'm definitely going to do that before I do a brew day, because I don't want to do a brew day and learn how to do it on the fly. So I think that is probably going to make the most sense. So apart from the steam hat flange, I am all good, I think, for now. Look out for some more B80Pro videos. Hope to do some in the future, fairly shortly, possibly in the new year now, but keep an eye out anyway. This looks like a cracking piece of kit. I can't lie, it really does. Like I said, the quality of these, I mean, I guess it's what you kind of expect from the SS BrewTech guys. Solid stainless steel pieces, well manufactured, nice accessories. Hopefully it's going to make brewing in quantity. I suppose it's in quantity from a personal usage perspective, but brewing in quantity, fairly simple and straightforward, and a pleasure to do. So I'll catch you guys next time. If you've enjoyed it and you want to see more videos in the future of the B80Pro in action, and give me a like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Take care, guys. Bye. Thank you.